India's rise as a global manufacturing powerhouse is a result of vision, strategy, and readiness executions. Over the past decade, the Indian government has introduced 4 policies to accelerate manufacturing growth. The Production-Linked Incentive Scheme has unlocked investment worth $40 billion, boosting key sectors like electronics, semiconductor, and electric vehicles. India is creating an ecosystem that fosters innovation and global competitiveness. Tax incentives, simplified regulations, and infrastructure development are attracting world-class manufacturers. India is the world's the 5th largest producer of solar energy, aiming to achieve an ambitious target at 500 gigawatts by 2030. In the electric vehicle market, sales surged to 1.5 million units in financial year 2023. With plans to scale up local manufacturing and create $206 billion market by 2030. Meanwhile, India AI mission has allocated $1.25 billion to fuel AI innovation with a focus on democratizing AI for all. From automobiles to electronics, from semiconductors to satellites, India is building at a pace the world never anticipated. I firmly believe that the future of manufacturing in India will be defined by next-generation technologies such as AI for optimized supply chains, net zero factories embracing circular economic principles, and AI-driven smart factories, all converging at an unmatched pace. Some of the key industries driving these transformations are consumer electronics, such as semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, renewable energy, like solar, wind, energy storage system, data center, and telecom infrastructure, such as 5G, cloud computing, and AI. E-mobility, they include EVs and battery manufacturing. Delta is at the forefront of driving transformations in India's manufacturing sector through cutting-edge solutions that enhance efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Our large-scale advanced manufacturing site in Krishnagiri is adopting smart manufacturing, energy-efficient solutions, and excellent local talents to maximize productivity. For example, we are manufacturing Delta's EV charger in India, supporting local customers in accelerating the transition to green mobility. At Delta, we are committed to shaping this journey with intelligent, sustainable, and connected solutions that empower our customers to build a greener and sustainable future in India.